Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL 1S 2021 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this ALCATEL. Start by accessing settings and scrolling down right away. Now click on Advanced Features, tap on App Cloner and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you want to clone. As you can see, all of my apps are gray. That means that not even one of them is available because I don't have it on my device. So I have to go into Play Store, download one of them. And now when I go back into the same settings, I can see that Facebook is now enabled. So all I need to do is click on the switcher in order to clone it. Now we have to wait a bit, and when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!